In this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant store not loading. A cache issue in your Riot account may cause errors. Close the Valorant game and open the Riot client. Click on the account icon in the upper right corner. Select Logout from the menu. Restart the Riot client. Log back in and check if the issue is resolved. If it doesn't help, using Google's default DNS server can help fix network-related issues. Right-click the Internet icon in the Task Manager. Click on Open Network and Internet Settings. Click Change Adapter Options. Double-click your active network connection. Click Properties. Select IPv4. Click Properties. Use the following DNS server address and enter Google DNS 8.8.8.8 and alternative DNS 8.8.4.4 or Cloudflare DNS for primary 1.1.1.1 and for alternative 1.0.0.1. If it also doesn't help, you have to disable IPv6. If IPv6 is enabled, it might cause connectivity problem. Open Network and Sharing Center. Go to Adapter Settings. Right-click your internet connection. Select Properties and uncheck IPv6. Click OK and restart your computer. If it also doesn't help, you have to clear the DNS cache. Open a Start menu and type cmd and run it as administrator. Enter the flush DNS command shown in the video. The codes will be given in the description. Press enter, restart your computer and check if the problem is resolved. If it also doesn't help, corrupt Riot client cache files can cause various errors. Close the Riot client using Task Manager. Open Run by pressing Windows plus R button. Enter the file path %local app data %riot space games and delete the Riot client folder. Restart Riot client as an administrator. If it also doesn't help, some third-party antivirus programs can block Valorant server. Temporarily disable your antivirus, then log into Valorant to check whether the issue still persists. So, these steps should help resolve the Valorant store not loading issue. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.